Buenas noches, Señor Brown.
One.
Sí, señor.
This is an English class. When you arrive here, I expect you to speak English. No more buenas noches. Good evening.
It's all right.
Yeah.
Good evening, Señor Brown.
Yeah, that's better.
Buonasera.
No, buenasera. Speak it English.
Don't you tell me to speak the English, you great Spanish onion.
I punch your head in, you Italian ice cream.
Yeah, all right. That'll do. Sit down.
You tell him, senor.
But I'm telling both of you, you sit down.
It's all right, it's all right.
And I'll tell you what I told Juan. This is an English class, and when you arrive here, I expect you to speak English. No more buonasera. Good evening.
Okie dokie.
Good.
Kalisperas.
Guten Abend. Bonsoir, Monsieur Brown.
I give up.
Nothing much to do.
Ah, good evening, Jamila.
I have knit for you a scarf.
Oh, very kind of you. Very patriotic. Quite long.
It is be start as pair of sockies. But I am forget to turn round heel, so I make it little bit more longer.
Well, thank you very much. Sure it'll come in useful. Good evening, Susie. Carol?
Good evening.
Yes. Right, now, before we go any further this evening, the Education Authority are taking some kind of census and require these forms filling in. So, it's self-explanatory if you'd complete them now. And then if you have any problems, don't hesitate to ask, because that's what I'm here for. All right?
Hey, I have problem.
But how can you have a problem? You haven't even looked at your form yet.
No pen. Right.
Right, anybody else got a pen?
Si, professore.
Good, right, now, all you have to do is fill in your surname, your first names, your address in England, your birth, occupation, sex, marital status, and what subject you're taking.
Scusi,
Yes, Giovanni.
I have a problem with my first names.
Well, surely you know them.
Sure. Giovanni, Vincenzo, Marco, Dino, Alberto, Lena.
Yeah, oh, all right, so what's the problem?
I can't get them on the paper.
Well, just put as many as you can.
Okie dokie.
Monsieur Brown, please, I do not know the name of the hospital where I was born.
You don't have to put the hospital, just the town.
Just the town.
Have you put the hospital too?
No. Place where born. Bed.
Finish.
Good. Correction, not so good.
Por favor.
The correct answer to sex is not at least once a week. You should put male or female.
Hey, no sex with male. Only female.